Okay, the squirrel's going for it. Squirrel's going for it. It's trying to get down. What's it doing? It's trying to climb on the rope. It's on the branches. It's thinking so hard.
That squirrel is really thinking so hard.
The squirrel is trying so hard to get. I mean, I'm kind of rooting for it at this point. It's looking at it. Look at that squirrel.
I could just literally jump to that. I would jump to the
Trying
door.
so hard.
It's trying so hard.
Look at that! Look at that! Oh, it's getting closer.
Wow!
It hasn't gotten it yet.
Whoa! Whoa!
It got it.
Oh, it got it! It got it! Oh my goodness! It's munching away. It's hanging upside down, just munching on it. Good for you, squirrel. You worked hard for that.
We should get squirrel food.
It's gonna eat a little bit, and then some of it's gonna fall down. I wonder how it's gonna get off. Is it just gonna like jump?
Can squirrels even jump?
I mean, yeah, jump a lot. All right, you wanna yell at it? You wanna bang on the glass and yell at it?
Yeah.
See if it goes away. Oh, look at that! You scared it. Whoa! It really jumped.
Yay. Yay. That's the way to get the squirrels off the bird feeder. Now it's doing what all squirrels do. Climb on the fence.
You scared it away.